Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the quick look and review of the Windows 10 build 18945. That's for 20H1, Windows 10 of next year, 2020. And it was released yesterday, Friday, July 26th, 2019. And in this build, first the install went well, was very long. This machine takes a long time to update for these builds. But it works and it goes through and it works fine. So that is the first thing. Then I've used it pretty much all day today because I wanted to make sure that it works. This was kind of my main machine, if you want, today, and had absolutely no glitches, no problems. So it's these builds are quite solid, actually. Now, what's new in here? There's a few things, but not everybody has them. Some of them are rolled out only for US insiders, but as they say, they're going to update these regularly. One of the things you should do first when you actually use the build, go into the Microsoft Store, go in the upper right corner and make sure that in download and updates you download all the latest updates to builds. As you see here minutes ago, a lot of builds, including, look at here, it says Cortana beta, but I still don't have it running on my PC. So in here, first of all, the new Cortana experience rolling out to the US. This is what it looks like. It's a redesigned Cortana panel. Now, I don't have it. If I go to my Cortana bar, you see here, and I click, this is the old Cortana experience. So this is not what it is. But apparently it's rolling out first to the United States, and then will be rolling out to everybody in the next weeks. Redesigned look, redesigned experience with new speech and languages in the models, and improved performance apparently. So will be interesting to see. Faster, more reliable than ever apparently. So that is going to be interesting. So to check it out, it will come from the Microsoft Store. That means that instead of having to wait for Windows updates to have an update to Cortana, it's going to come through the Microsoft Store, which is not the same thing. Makes it easier to update all the time. So this is pretty cool. And you will need to require, if you're in the US and wonder if you have it, make sure that in the settings you will have voice activation privacy settings, talk to Cortana. Make sure all of that is enabled. And this is rolling out right now. If you don't see it and you're in the US, it's rolling out. They're saying just to be patient. Other experience is the File Explorer experience, that new way of power search and all of that. That's coming to everybody in the next few weeks. They are rolling it out to everyone right now. So not everybody is going to have it right away, but it's coming up. I had it. It's interesting because I had it and I did show it to you guys. And now it's not there anymore, but apparently in the next few days it should be actually rolling out, and they want to have your feedback. So just let them know what you think of that new experience on the File Explorer search. So there's also something new in the Windows subsystem for Linux, WSL 2. Now you have the possibility to configure WSL to network applications using localhost, which was not available before. So now you get more power into what you're doing. Actually, this means that the more they add these features, the more this is going to be usable to a lot of people, especially developers that are often in their little Windows and Linux mix-up world, to have all of this working. So this is of course, improvements coming out right now. What else do we have? Well, there's some accessibility improvements of all sorts. So depending on the narrator, now provides more efficient reading experience throughout Outlook, Windows Mail. Also enhanced reading, text cursor indicators, a lot more features. So everything that has to do with accessibility and improvements for people with disabilities, I think this is nice because that means that there'll be more and more of these settings, so that you can actually have a better experience in finding where things are if you have difficulty viewing the screen, for example. So all sorts of little things like that they are working on, which is also kind of nice. For the rest, of course, bug fixes and known issues. So this is, of course, something that is important to know. And if you are using or want to use the Your Phone experience, they're expanding the models that are supported for the screen mirroring. So that also is something rolling out. Just check out the list. The blog post for 18945 is going to be in the description below the video, so you can actually check it out, see what's new, and of course you'll be able to see every little thing and every little detail, and as well as problems that they're having with, you know, some of the known issues and stuff like that. Sometimes it's useful to check out the known issues, because maybe a problem you have is something already reported that they will eventually fix. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.